Hello friend, my name is Samadhan Gaikwad and today I bring new topic Aravali Hills. So my channel name is Solution Oriented Discussion. So I have uploaded this video on my channel. So guys, Aravali Hill, if you see, its campaign is going on and people are protesting on the Aravali Hill because Aravali Bachao, Prakriti ko Bachao, okay, which is very sensitive tagline is going on. Aravali Hills are not just a group of hills or ancient mountains, they are lifetime of our environment, our water, our future. Okay, so guys, today I will discuss first about Aravali's background, then what is the new definition and current issues going on in the India, and then what would be the impact of new definition, and then what suggestion I would like to give in the policy of, or you can say, new definition. So background of the Aravali guys is Aravali range is one of the oldest mountain range in the world and it is about 692 kilometer long and runs through Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat and Delhi. In Aravali, yearly 500 to 700 mm rainfall is getting in the Aravali. Aravali range is, has a cultural and historical value like fort, ancient town and important heritage site. Aravali Hills play a very critical role in keeping the nature balance. It supports the plant and animal with the forest, wildlife areas and water bodies. Aravali help the environment because currently Aravali range has clean dust and pollution. It improve the air quality and refill the groundwater and it control the climate. That means dust, pollution, groundwater, quality of air and climate. It is very important and critical factor in terms of people health, right. So economical and mineral, guys, if you see, there are importance like there are more than 70 mineral in the Aravali Hill like silver, tungsten, lead, zinc and that marble and granite also. In 2014, Supreme Court has given order to the Haryana official that if anyone found mining and stone crushing, the action or you can say punishment will be done in case of mining and stone crushing in 2014. Guys, in last week of December 2025, Supreme Court has accepted the order given by Environment and Climate Change Department, that is, if hill is more than 100 meter, then only it will be considered as Aravali Hill. That means the hill is having height less than 100 meter would be not legally Aravali Hill. And guys, please think on this. It is very critical point and serious definition which is defined by the Environment and Climate Change Department, because if the hill is less than 100 meter, it would be not considered as Aravali Hill. Guys, if you see the mining cases, Rajasthan has reported more than 27,000 illegal mining cases till now, okay, in the Aravali district hills. In terms of deforestation and mining, illegal mining and stone cutting have damaged over 31,000 hectares of forest land in Aravali district as of now. Environment minister controversy, guys, if you see, they are saying that only 2% area would get mined. How they have measured, we are really shocked that how they are going to measure 2% only and rest 98% hill will be protected, nobody knows. it should be measured. How, if you are saying giving the data, it should be measurable, it should be statistically proven that this is the number based on the this parameter, but they are blindly they are saying only 2% would be mine, rest 98% would be saved. That is not appropriate without any data. Public protest and Save Aravali campaign is going on, because judging Aravali hills only by height is like judging a river only by its depth. Aravali range should not be judged only by its height, but its importance of nature, geology, climate. Experts are saying that due to this new definition, approximately 90% of area may open for large scale of mining, construction and urban expansion. That means 90% area may get open for mining, construction of building, hotel, resort, any kind of construction and urban expansion. But guys, अरावली कहता है मैं ऊंचा नहीं लेकिन अमर हूँ, मैं बूढ़ा हूँ पर कमज़ोर नहीं. Guys, what would be the impact of this new definition, because hills below 100 meter not be legally recognized as Aravali hill. In Rajasthan only, expert or analysis whichever done by the people who are continuously working in the Aravali hill, they are saying that only 1048 hills out of 12,000 hills are are meeting this 100 meter criteria. That means around 11,000 hill will be not protected if this kind of definition has been defined and if it has been implemented. Okay, it is huge impact on the climate, on the water, on environment and our future. Okay, it will have impact on the climate because there is a risk of heat waves and dust storm, unpredictable rain also due to this if its Aravali hill is not protected. Urbanization encroachment will happen, like cities like Gurgaon and Delhi will be breaking up green areas. It will impact on the air and soil pollution due to the factory and vehicle pollution may get increased. It will impact on the groundwater, like due to loss of natural catchment area. It will reduce the water infiltration, causing the groundwater level to drop, and it will increase the risk of water scarcity. It will have impact on the environment also, like loss of animal, plant, natural environment, more desert area and soil erosion also get impacted. Economic impact also will have, like decline in the agricultural productivity. Agricultural productivity may have impact due to this new definition if it's get implemented, and tourism potential will get also reduce in some area, and cultural heritage may get damaged, and guys, it may have long term impact on our future generation. So few of the suggestion in terms of policy, governance, conservation, water management, community and technology, I would like to share here on this video. Guys, as per India Constitution, Article 21, it gives the guarantee to the right to the clean environment as part of fundamental right to the life. That means any law or action violating this right, like pollution or destructive project, it is considered as unconstitutional. There should be multi-criteria definition should be defined, like geological continuity, rock type, age and structure. Protest area that contribute to groundwater recharge, dust control, wildlife, climate regulation, that area need to be protected. If they are groundwater recharge, if they are dust control, if they are wildlife corridor, that need to be protected. illegal mining should be stopped and strong penalty for violation violations should applied. Land uses should be controlled for real estate and urban expansion. Ecosystem zone should be more stronger, and biodiversity projects should support for protecting the natural resource, right. Another few suggestion in the policy I would like to give: long term legal stability of definition should be there, like no frequent changes in the definition should happen in the Aravali Hill. Time bound rehabilitation should be done on the existing mines. Whichever existing mines are there, there should be time bound time bound should be given to close this existing mine. Aravali definition must be based on the, guys, very important point, Aravali definition must be defined or must be based on geology, ecology and connectivity. It's not just on height. So, development does not destroy the India's natural shield. So, please think on that. It should be defined based on the geology, ecology and connectivity. Currently, it is defined based on the height only. That is the point the people are raising in India now. Final boundary and definition of the Aravali Hill to be determined by the panel of geologists, ecologists, hydrologist and climate expert, but currently it is defined by administrative department only, which is not acceptable based on the short term economic pressure or short term gain. Looks like this has been defined, but which is really not good for our future generation. So, it should be defined by panel of geologist, ecologist and climate change expert. Local communities should be involved in this protection, monitoring and conservation program. Large scale native tree plantation and forest restoration program should happen in the Aravali Hill. Sustainable development campaign should be run in the Aravali Hill, and advanced technology and dedicated enforcement should be deployed to real time surveillance, monitoring and prevent illegal mining. Environment Committee and Supreme Court should again revisit Aravali definition and protection, and I hope they will definitely look into this definition based on this kind of policy changes. And guys, your voice and action matter. Let's protect the Aravali, that means protect water, protect air, protect climate, protect our future generation and preserve our heritage and build sustainable future. Decisive policy action today will ensure that Aravali Hill continue to safeguard our environment, groundwater sustainability, air pollution, economy and community for new generation. So, let us ensure that when future generation ask us what we did for Aravali, we can proudly say we protected India's oldest mountain range with wisdom and responsibility and accountability. So, that is it guys for Aravali Hills, and please subscribe my channel and comment on the video. Thank you. I will bring next video in upcoming week, and in advance happy new year for all of you. Thank you.